Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain you how you can write the HTML program. Assume that this is your desktop, click on the start button and type notepad in the search program box. So in the list you will be having notepad at the top, click on the notepad. So notepad editor will get open. Okay, so in this notepad editor you can type the HTML program. So here just I am changing the font size, just increasing the font size. Now type the first HTML tag, opening HTML, then opening head tag, then opening title tag, and you may write any title. I am writing first HTML program and closing title tag, and also I am using closing head tag to close the head sections, and next section is the body section. So opening body tag, next tag is h1 tag, opening h1 tag, heading 1 and closing h1 tag, closing h1 tag. Next is opening h2 tag, heading 2 and closing h2 tag. Similarly, opening h3 tag, heading 3 and closing h3 tag. Next is h4, heading 4, closing h4 tag. Next is h5 tag, opening h5 tag, heading 4, sorry, heading 5, closing h5 tag. Next is h6, the smallest heading tag of the HTML, heading 6, closing h6 tag. And next is the closing body tag and closing HTML tag. So after completion of this program, go to file and click on save. Okay, so select the location where you want to save. I am selecting desktop and typing the file name heading .html. HTML is your extension name. Click on save. Okay, go to desktop. There is a heading file. Right click on it and open with Internet Explorer. So this is your Internet Explorer browser. In this way you can open the heading file, right? So thank you.